Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are encountering issues with pairing your Apple Watch with your iPhone or experiencing a pairing failed error, then there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve this problem. So, let's get started. First solution is restart both your iPhone and Apple Watch. Restarting might solve some minor bugs and issues in your Apple Watch or iPhone. Solution number 2, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on both your iPhone and Apple Watch. Also, make sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are close together during the pairing process, ideally within a few feet of each other. Also, you need to ensure that both devices have sufficient battery levels to avoid any interruptions during the troubleshooting process. You must have 50% of battery percent in both of your devices. And that is it. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve pairing issues between your Apple Watch and iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.